You still can't make that left turn.
How am I going to get to the school?
Well, you.
That's if it's
Okay.
operating hours.
It's still there. So.
Sir,
Okay.
We're not going to get to the school. But I just need to get to the school to drop off my daughter. I'm late. So if I was cutting it into traffic, that makes sense.
Well,
That
you still.
makes sense.
Okay. So.
No, we're not doing that. I didn't commit a crime.
Okay.
I
Well,
did not commit a crime.
this is what you're gonna. You're gonna let her go to the school.
Yes, I am.
You need your license, registration, and proof of insurance. So you either you. So I literally told you. You made that left-hand turn where there's a. Listen. Let me explain something to you, right? Okay. Okay.
We know each other. We know each other. You know who I am.
I have no idea who you are.
Yeah, you are. You do.
You start off with 20 this way.
You can call supervisor. I think so. I'm gonna talk to the principal right now too.
So like I said, I need your license, registration, and proof of insurance.
What did I do?
This is the last time I'm gonna ask
Let
you.
me know. You can call the supervisor.
So-
What did I do?
So I'm gonna
What
tell
did
you
I
this
do? I'm asking
right
you
now.
because
I need your license, registration, and proof of insurance.
You can't. Don't.
License, registration, and proof of insurance. You're going to jail. We're done. We're done. We're done. We're done. No, we're done. We're done. We're done. Stop. We're done. We're done. We're done. Thank you. Give me another hand. Give me another hand. Give me the other arm. We're done with this. We're not playing this. We're not doing this today. Nope. No, we're not. We're not. You refuse to give it to me. Stop.
Stop.
I'm done with this.
Sir, you can't.
I told you already. We're done.
You asked for my license.
We're done.
registration.
I asked. No, you just told me you're not.
I said call a supervisor and let me go get it.
Stop moving your arm.
Yeah, you do.
I don't. Stop.
What did I go to jail for?
Resisting.
Resisting for what? For what?
I'm telling for I'm an adult.
Sir, I work for the city of DeLand.
Okay, that has nothing to do with me.
Listen,
Turn around.
you're literally.
Face the car.
Once you,
Face the car.
can I shut off my car?
Face. No.
You told me to
Face
get
the
your
car.
license for registration and then you
We're
grabbed
done.
me.
We're done. We're not doing this today.
Excuse me, can you call the principal? Look what he's doing to me.
That's not gonna stop anything.
He's putting me in jail.
Yes.
Literally, for dropping off my daughter in school. Please.
Nope. We're done. You had to take the ride today.
Listen.
Nope.
Listen to me. I've never been to. Listen.
That's fine.
Please,
Well, you're gonna
please,
find out today.
listen.
We're done.
Listen to me.
Nope. There's no
You're
listening.
gonna ruin my life right now if you do this,
There's no
please.
listening.
And my kids.
Okay. We're done with this.
Listen, Gardner's being so mean to me right now. He asked me for my license registration, and I was gonna go get. He just grabbed me.
Okay, ma'am. Let me ask you this.
I never had.
When he
Sorry,
initiated
go
the
ahead.
traffic stop, did he ask you for your
No,
documentation?
no, he did it. He did.
Okay. Did he ask you for, or did he
When
advise
when
you of a
come
traffic
back.
stop? Okay.
No, he didn't tell me what's the reason he stopped me.
Okay. Did
And-
he advise you there was a traffic stop?
It was it. No, he said license and registration. He got out,
Okay, so he got out of the vehicle.
and he
You
said
got out, and he asked for
And I said-
license, registration, and insurance.
after when I started walking away. Yes.
Okay.
It doesn't say when there's no blinking lights. I just spoke to the assistant principal,
Okay.
and they said that doesn't
It
right.
doesn't say that.
Right. That's what I'm saying. That's why
It says no left turn.
listen. I understand everything you're doing, but I'm about to. I got hired for the city of DeLand. I will give you my license and registration.
Okay.
I don't want to ruin my future. I just had an issue with Gardner before.
I just want to get this straight.
Okay, thank you for. Okay, I can give him my license. Listen, Gardner, me and him had an issue before. He said he doesn't remember. Okay,
Okay.
he's a little mean. Okay, he is. So I'm sorry that I was a little mean to you because you've been mean to me
Ma'am,
earlier.
do you understand that we interact with a lot of people every single day, so we don't.
Mean to me, and I said good morning to you.
Flattering is not going to go.
I'm not saying that. You're right. You're right. You're being
so
professional.
Let me ask you this. He initiated his lights. You got out of the car to drop off your child. He got out of the vehicle, asked for your license, registration, and insurance. You said you were dropping off your child. So when you came back, did he ask you for your license, registration, and insurance?
Yes, and then I was like, "Can I get a supervisor?" And I was really going to give it to him.
Okay.
At the end of the day, I was walking. If you look at the camera,
Let me explain something to you. When any law enforcement officer initiates their lights, that is a traffic stop. That is a legal detention. You don't have a legal right to walk away.
I
All right.
know that.
So him letting you escort your child into the school, that was a courtesy that he didn't
Thank
have
you.
to do. When my law enforcement officers ask you for license, registration, and insurance, you are legally obligated to provide that. If you fail to do that at any point in time, you are failing to identify yourself on a legal detention, and you will be arrested. Fail to do that?
I swear, look at the camera. I was opening my door to get it, and then he's like,
I'd be more than happy to let you walk this hard.
yeah, you can. I was literally opening the door to go get it, and then he grabbed me.
Place her in the vehicle. Let me,
Listen, Medina, can I ask you a question?
We're going inside the car.
Okay.
We're going to
you can go into the car. You can ask me in the...
Can I tell you something?
What's up? Do me a favor, go ahead and take a seat in the vehicle. I'm going to watch this video, and then I'll make my determination.
I'm just my kids, my future. I love
Ma'am,
myself.
do me a favor and get in the vehicle.
inside.
Can I apologize?
Inside.
Can you please step in the vehicle?
My feet. I'm sorry, okay?
Take some of your dope. What this shit? Take two of them. No, just go ahead and
No, because it'll still try to upload.
Yeah.
Over here.
I'm standing the sun. Bro, I'm of a tropical persuasion, okay?
So I literally told you, you made that left-hand turn. Listen, let me explain something to you, right? Okay. So once you drop the kids off in the school,
So literally, as you're getting out of the car, you told her that this is a traffic stop. You know, you advised her the reason of the stop, and she started arguing right off the bat. Okay. I watched the video. Stop. All right. I watched the video. All right. On 3 separate occasions, my deputy asked you for your license, registration, and insurance. And on 3 separate occasions, you decided to argue with him. On the 3rd time, right before he took you into custody, he asked for it. And you told him no.
I did it.
Yeah, you told him no and to call for a supervisor, and then you started walking towards your car.
Okay, listen.
Is there someone that we can call to come collect the vehicle and the dog? Or at least the dog? I will be more than happy to move that vehicle into a parking spot.
You're right. Listen, I'm not arguing. I'm apologizing. That's what I'm doing. Okay.
So is there somebody that we can call?
Listen.
Okay. Is there somebody? I need somebody that can come collect the dog at the very least. You got her phone? Yeah.
Can you untight this? It's a little tight.
All right, face that way.
Wait, no, I don't have nobody for my kids. Please, guys. And my kids, please. I'm sorry.
We're past that point today.
I understand that, but no matter what, I still want to apologize, okay? I had a little grudge, that's all.
All right, that one's good. What's her name?
Stephanie.
Hey, Steph.
Is there anything else I can assist you with today? Sorry, she's on the call.
Stephanie.
Case number. Will you guys do this?
Sorry.
Stephanie.
Medina, por favor.
Real quick, you got anything on you that's gonna stick about me? No. Turn around for me.
Hey, Stephanie. This is the Sergeant Medina with the Sheriff's Office. It's currently being arrested. And we have.
Do you have a umbrella?
Has the dog in the car. Is there any way that you can come and at the very least, collect the dog?
What is she being arrested for?
For failure to identify. So, she's going to be arrested.
Anything else on you or in you? And to the jail?
The actual charge is going to be resisting.
Tucked up in you, just let them know before you get out there.
You don't look like you have any wood tuck, but it's a.
Is my daughter in school?
Okay.
Yeah, the child's in school. Yeah.
Oh my God.
So, is there any way that you can come collect the dog, or?
The date was September 9th, 2025, and the morning rush was in full swing in Austin, Texas. At exactly 8 a.m., a routine traffic safety detail turned into a high-stakes legal confrontation when a woman made a prohibited left turn directly into a crowded school parking lot. A patrol officer immediately flagged the vehicle down. The driver, visibly agitated, didn't wait for the officer to speak. She began arguing instantly, claiming she hadn't committed a crime and was simply trying to drop off her daughter. When the officer requested the standard trio of documents, license, registration, and proof of insurance, the woman flatly refused. "I have to get my daughter to class, and you are harassing me," she stated, ignoring the fact that she was now legally detained. After several minutes of failed negotiations and repeated refusals to identify herself, the officer informed her she was being detained. As he reached to secure her, a struggle ensued. The woman resisted, pulling away and shouting that she was being attacked in front of the school. By 8:15 a.m., a police supervisor arrived on the scene. The woman changed her tune, claiming she was about to get her ID when the officer grabbed her. However, the supervisor was quick to provide a legal reality check. In the state of Texas, once a lawful traffic stop is initiated, a driver is legally obligated to provide identification. The supervisor reviewed the body cam footage on the spot. The video didn't lie. It showed the officer being patient while the driver was combative. At 8:30 a.m., the supervisor delivered the final word. She was under arrest. The woman was booked on charges of failure to identify and resisting without violence. As she was led away, the officers had to coordinate a pickup for her dog, which was still in the back seat. What could have been a 30-second warning ended in a trip to the county jail, all because of a refusal to follow a simple legal command. Subscribe for more videos and stay updated on the rawest footage from the front lines. For more legal breakdowns and high-tension encounters, follow Bodycam Real Files. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload.